Hello YouTube gardeners. We're getting ready for the upcoming growing season and our first delivery is in from Johnny Seeds. I would guess that just about every human has some type of difficulty in their lives and ways of dealing with those difficulties. What has helped me deal with the difficulties that I've been facing is 1, focusing on God, and 2, gardening, growing food. Gardening is my therapy. So I'm really excited for this first shipment. Excited to try new varieties and also replenishing some seeds that I love to grow and haven't yet harvested seeds from those plants, like this scarlet kale, one of my favorites. So we have a lot of great information on the different types of seed varieties we'll be growing to share with you in upcoming videos. We get our seeds 4 different ways. Of course, we try to harvest all the seeds we can from the plants that we're growing. And then we buy, of course, from Johnny Seeds. I'm sure you're all familiar with these seed companies. We buy quite a few from Territorial Seeds, and also love seeds from Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds, and I believe they're at rareseeds.com. So all 3 of these companies are outstanding. They have great varieties, a lot of fun new varieties, and a lot of the old great ones. So I have 2 more shipments that are coming in from Territorial Seeds and Baker Creek, and me and my husband were joking around that I have a seed problem. I definitely do have a seed problem. This is super cool, garden marker, and it does not fade away for outdoor use. So excited to be using these guys to mark all the different types of food we're growing. All right, on to adding more berry bushes to our edible landscape. But before I do, I'm gonna grab a radish. I said the word radish and little Jedi's been giving me the stare down. Huh, buddy? He's really serious now about eating some radishes. And if you like growing radishes, we have a fun video in the near future that is trialing many different varieties of radishes. So hit the subscribe button. Better part, I rinsed it off. Okay, let me give you a piece. I know, but we gotta share it. Here you go. Delicious. Here's a really big piece. He doesn't want to share that piece. He talked me into giving him the big piece. All right, let's head to the berry bushes. If you've seen our recent video on our favorite cool season lettuce varieties to grow, then you'll know that I am focused on adding as many fruits and vegetables that are rich in anthocyanins. So today we're getting in some more berry bushes. Here I have a black raspberry called Jewel. Sounds so delicious. Here is a mini kiwi that should start doing something this year. I'm going to add another raspberry bush in this area. All along here we have a space to add more berry bushes. There's another black raspberry and of course some blackberries. This area has a bunch of asparagus growing, so it's going to be fun to see if the 2 can grow together. Okay, gonna dig some holes that are about 10 inches deep and wide enough so that the roots of the berry bushes can spread out. Gonna get these guys soaked in this bucket full of water. They recommend removing all of the packaging that it's wrapped in and It also does say to make sure that the roots are not soaking for more than 2 hours. Then we'll get these guys covered up with some organic soil about 2 inches on top of the very highest roots. Get it watered thoroughly, give it a deep, deep water, and then after that, just water it about once a week. The packaging on the berry bushes says full sun, and I'm planting these guys in a partial shade area, but they are going to see full sun in a few months, and the hottest part of the day they're going to get shade again. So the berry bushes should do great in this location. All right, we're going to get these guys in the ground. We're very excited to be adding more fruits that have outstanding health benefits. One online source calls berries a vitamin C superstar. They're fiber-filled, great source for vitamin K for bone health, an antioxidant powerhouse, and my favorite, rich in anthocyanins for great brain health. Right, buddy? Isn't that right? All right, that's it for now. For more short videos on how to grow food in Southern California, hit the subscribe button. Hope you guys enjoy your week and enjoy your garden. What do you got over there, buddy? Is that some thyme?